I know you must have seen a lot of news about this HMP virus. But let me tell you one thing first of all, that this is not a new virus at all. This virus was firstly discovered in Netherlands 2001 and we have had these cases in India as well. HMP virus causes common flu-like symptoms and it is nothing but a respiratory pathogen. It causes upper respiratory tract infections. Symptoms of HMPV virus common flu are cough, runny nose, sore throat, fever and rash. And this mainly affects small children, especially less than 2 years of age and more than 60 years of age, and especially who are immunocompromised. Secondly, it is not at all like COVID. The transmission is milder and the pandemic is definitely unlikely right now. Why this hype now? Because of this COVID post-traumatic era. People have become so much aware and so much sensitive even to a small news about any virus causing any harm to our world now. In winter season, our mucous membrane, our mucus, which is the defense lining in our respiratory tract system, this becomes dry in winter area, and that is why allowing more entry and more load of bacteria and viruses to enter our respiratory tract. Amongst all this chaos, Maharashtra Shasan has released a letter telling us that there is no need to panic and take basic precautions like cough etiquettes, such as using tissue paper or cloth while sneezing or coughing and not just with your bare hands. And especially this will cause a reduction in the droplet transmission. And also to wash your hands, or at least if you can't wash, keep washing your hands frequently, then at least the basic hand sanitizer, which will keep away the pathogens. To have plenty of water, keep yourself hydrated and have nutritious food. If you are attending a public gathering or public meeting, then please remember that keep physical contact as minimal as you can, as in do not handshake, keep yourself restricted to just namaste. Yes, most important, if you are sick or if you are having or common flu-like symptoms, then please contact your doctor. Do not self-prescribe any antibiotics by yourself. And yes, definitely, the most important thing which will help you prevent, but we need to still figure out whether this Chinese strain of HMP virus is mutated or not. And if you want to know what are the future or what are the further updates, then keep in touch and follow my channel for further genuine updates. Thank you for now and take care.